Hey, hey, hey. Put lipstick on a pig and you might have Christine O'Donnell. She's no Sarah Palin, but she's good for what is ailing. Washington, D.C. It's time. I found a woman with a one-track mind like me, politically incorrect, to the right of Glenn Beck, the salt in my tea. Hey, Christino, ain't that Mr. Castle kinda gay? You know, they say, you know, he votes the other way, you know. Hey, Christino, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. Hey, hey. 'Cause when you're Christine and somebody tells you they love you, you're gonna be pristine. And if he can't wait too well, he may not do masturbating in his heart. Tell him, count to 10, don't give in to the sin. A cold shower can help a lot. If you want a shot at Christine, don't buy Evolution, no masters at Princeton. She just got her degree, barely from Fairleigh Dickinson. Get some Republican, angry old man with a gun to watch foxes on TV and swing to the party of tea. We may only have tonight. I thought a movie that we might dabble into things you ain't done since high school. Papa, 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 tea party, tea party, tea party. Papa, 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 tea party, tea party, tea party. We may only have 2010, but we can party like it's 1980 again. That was not Satan's altar, it belonged to Ann Coulter. Na 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 na. I hope you know, I hope you know that this has nothing to do with you. It's a personal relationship with truth. Got some straightening up to do. You've been scaring Delawareans out of their skins. Immigration, welfare, and condoms, and healthcare. And how dare the president be anti-American? It's time to be a big girl now. Big girls don't lie. They don't.